minus 7 is actually less than minus 2. Why? Because minus 2 is on the right hand side compared to minus 7. This number on the right hand side is greater than numbers on the right hand side greater than numbers on the left hand side. You can see minus 7 being less than minus 2.
Hello guys, this is Uncle DJ from Mathematical Series for Junior and Senior Secondary.
Today, we are going to be learning how to compare numbers on the number line. If today is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. The numbers to the right of a number line are always greater than the numbers to the left. What I'm trying to say is, if you look at it properly, minus 1 is greater than minus 2, minus 2 is greater than minus 3, minus 3 is greater than minus 4, minus 4 is greater than minus 5, minus 5 is greater than minus 6. In the same way, plus 2 is greater than plus 1, plus 3 is greater than plus 2, plus 4 is greater than plus 3, and so on and so forth. So in this particular exercise, we are going to be trying to compare numbers and select which is the greatest number in the series using the number line. So let's start with the first question. Which is the greatest number? Minus 1 plus 3, minus 5, minus 2, plus 8, plus 4, 0. The answer to the first question is the greatest number is plus 8. If we look at this series, you find out that 8 is the biggest number to the right. That tells you that 8 is the largest number or the greatest number. Now let's do the second question. Minus 4 plus 7 minus 6 minus 1 plus 9 plus 3 and plus 6. First of all, you can try as much as possible to try to arrange these numbers from the smallest to the biggest so that you'll be able to know which is the largest number. And from this series of numbers, you'll be able to see that 9 is the largest number because it is the number that is farthest to the right hand side. So it is the greatest number. Now that we've done some couple of exercises, let's try to do these two as our home task. Just try as much as possible to write the answers in the comment section. I'll check it out. Now let's go to the next one. Using this same number line, place the greater than or less than sign between each of the following pairs of numbers. Minus 7, we are trying to compare minus 7 and minus 2. Which is the greater? Is it greater than sign or the less than sign? You have to put in between. Now for the first question, minus 7 and minus 2, minus 7 is actually less than minus 2. Why? Because minus 2 is on the right hand side compared to minus 7. This number on the right hand side is greater than numbers on the right hand side greater than numbers on the left hand side. You can see minus 7 being less than minus 2. Then the second question, minus 4 compared to minus 1. Which one is on the right hand side? Which was on the left hand side? We can see minus 1 is on the right hand side, minus 4 is on the left hand side. That means minus 4 is less than minus 1. Now let's go to the third question, plus 7 and plus 2. If you compare these two, which is on the right hand side, which is on the left, plus 2 and this plus 2 and this is plus 7, which is on the right hand side. Right hand side is 7, while the left hand side is what? Plus 2. So we can say 7 plus 7 is greater than plus 2. So we use the greater than sign. The way to memorize these shapes, the way to memorize this shape is to use your elbow. Your right elbow is greater than, your left elbow is less than. That's the way to understand these signs. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is question D. Plus 9 and minus 4. Let's compare plus 9 and minus 4. Plus 9, let's look from plus 9. This is plus 9, and where is minus 4? This is minus 4. So the one on the right hand side is definitely plus 9, and the one on the left hand side is minus 4. So we can say plus 9 is greater than minus 4. So you use the right elbow. The right elbow, that's greater than sign. Plus 9 greater than minus 4. Now that we solved some couple of comparison examples, let's try to work this as our home task. Minus 3, compare minus 3 and minus 2, compare minus 1 and minus 2. Let's try to answer those questions and write them in the comment section. The next topic is how to sort numbers on the number line. In that particular video lesson, I'm going to be first giving you the answers to the home task in this particular chapter. Then we will be working on the topic of that class. I hope this lesson has been helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.